Once upon a time, I was stuck in the monotony of a 9-to-5 job, feeling suffocated by the routine and yearning for something more. Each day felt like a repeat of the last, and I knew there had to be a way out. One evening, after a particularly draining day at the office, I stumbled upon an article about people making 6 figures online. Intrigued, I dove into the world of online entrepreneurship, fueled by the desire for freedom and financial independence. I started exploring various online business models, from e-commerce to freelancing, and finally stumbled upon affiliate marketing. The idea of promoting products and earning a commission sounded promising, so I decided to give it a try. I began by researching profitable niches and selecting products that aligned with my interests. Then, I created a website and started producing valuable content that would attract my target audience. It wasn't easy at first, but I was determined to succeed. As time went on, my website gained traction, and I started seeing my first commissions trickle in. Encouraged by this early success, I doubled down on my efforts, investing more time and energy into growing my online business. I learned the ins and outs of search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and email marketing, constantly adapting and refining my strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Slowly but surely, my income from affiliate marketing began to surpass what I was earning at my 9-to-5 job. It was an exhilarating feeling, knowing that I was no longer bound by the constraints of traditional employment. Eventually, I reached a point where I was earning 6 figures annually from my online business. I quit my 9-to-5 job and embraced the freedom of being my own boss. No more commuting, no more office politics, just me, my laptop, and the endless possibilities of the internet. But my journey didn't stop there. With newfound confidence and financial stability, I continued to expand my online empire, diversifying my income streams and pursuing new opportunities. Today, I'm living life on my own terms, traveling the world while running my online business from anywhere with an internet connection. It's a far cry from the days of being chained to a desk, and I'm grateful every day for the decision to break free and pursue my dreams.